You have a great day. Bye. Let's go. So lucky today. Yesterday it was raining the whole day. But that was okay. I had to do an upload. You wouldn't believe how slow the internet can be. Internet is so much better out here. Just 2 hours. I went to the beach bar, had a nice stew, and but the internet. Oh, but it's okay. It was raining anyways. Don't know about that, guys. That could be nothing, but it could also be a broken seal or something. Should I be worried or? Let me know. Hi, cool. Hello. Hi.
Well, the main tourist area visiting Ireland would be...
Wow. I thought I have a lot of waypoints.
Wild Atlantic Way.
Oh wow. I can't do all of that. Can't do all of that. Want to check out the bike?
Yeah, I'd love to see it.
Yeah. You should take a little spin. Like just around the vlog. It's fun really. It's really fun. Yeah, it is. It is something totally different. Yeah. It's crazy, right?
It's unreal.
It's out now. I can get a jacket and hop on.
Okay, just to the end of the stage.
Wherever you want to go, you can also give her the beans a little bit. Like go somewhere. It's fine. Put it in sport mode.
I'm afraid to open it up. It's
No,
so
just
much
go
power.
somewhere where you can open it up. You should do it really.
Oh my god, there's so much power.
It's insane, man. Go in the street somewhere. I'll be You might be buying an electric motorcycle soon.
Oh
There you are.
my god.
The beard is like
Oh
insane,
my
right? It's
god,
really...
that is just unreal. That is just...
Sandy's not bringing a new motorcycle to you. I'm sorry.
The power
yeah,
is
right.
unbelievable, and it's instantly there. You touch it and the bike just... I'm so happy that I had the opportunity to...
Yeah.
to give it a
See, I
go.
told you. He was hesitant. I told him he will regret it.
Yeah, it's I'm speechless. Completely speechless. I knew that with the torque and the motors that you hear about the theory, but sitting on the bike and it takes off, it's just...
It's insane.
the
It's
feeling,
insane,
it's-
really.
It really is insane. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks for inviting me, guys. It's been lovely. It's been lovely, really. Right, guys. See you. Yeah. Bye. That sport mode. It really is the best. That was so lovely. Diana and Trevor, great people. Motorcyclists all over the world are just such nice people. And Trevor had such a blast on Eve. I knew it. He was like, oh yeah, no, I don't know if I should ride your bike. It's like, you have to. You will regret it for the rest of your life. I want to go down south. I have to make some miles. Alright, Eve, let's do that with your broken battery and broken seal. We'll get you sorted at some point. Shortcut. Yep, that is definitely leaking. I guess that's no good. I don't think it's a big problem, but I should have that looked at some point. Oh, Eve, I thought I'm done with the repair shops. Lidl charging is becoming my favorite, I think. They're fast, you can buy food, and they work. It's like Subways, but a little bit better. Diana made me a burrito, a vegan burrito, but I want to save that for dinner. Literally the bad hair show. Where's the point? I'm already in touch with the dealer in Dublin. Gonna have to pay them a visit, I guess, but not today.
You're originally from Germany, is it?
Huh? Yeah, I'm
You're
from Germany. Yeah.
I'm originally from Poland, so.
Oh yeah, nice. I've
yeah.
been to Poland recently.
Yeah, I seen that. Elbląg, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
I'm watching your channel, so
Awesome,
I know exactly.
man.
So, yeah, you like corners. You like the fast corners, no?
Yeah, you call it the what? Chicken strips.
Chicken strip. No, but I see here the tires.
Yeah, I like them corners. Yeah, it's fun with that bike. It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
Can I make a picture with you?
Yeah. He was so happy. Now let's go. In terms of charging infrastructure, I feel like Ireland is way ahead of the UK. They are literally everywhere. Everywhere there are chargers and they work.
Don't stop. In your eyes, I see a fire lighting up as you're getting away. There's no going back, and I'm loving the chase. Where you go, I follow. When I'm giving up, never hitting the brakes. There's no going back, and I'm loving the chase. Ooh.
This is just an amazing road. I'm really having a blast here. Wow. And I'm not even in sports mode. Well, let's change that. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So cool. So cool. I still feel what Trevor felt this morning. I still have that same feeling that like the same feeling, really. It's the same feeling. Okie dokie. It really goes uphill now. Oh. I really have to get used to the regen is not so strong in sport mode. Wow. That is a lot of fun. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, that's enough sports mode for today. Check out the cliffs. Can I park here somewhere?
The car park is across the road.
Ah, I have to park there?
Yeah.
Okay, there's no way I can. Huh? Yeah, thanks. Thanks. It's electric. Yeah.
I couldn't hear it,
Yeah.
Good.
It's awesome. Got me here from Germany.
No charging.
I have to charge at some point, yeah.
Electric bike now. You Marc, God bless.
Can I just park it here somewhere?
Sorry.
Ah, tried. Which card, please? Yep, thanks. Ah, 12 euro. Jesus. Okay. We have our magic 30% extra. Very good. We needed it. I can literally just count on it, like, I don't know. It's weird. If I would have been a little bit later, then there would have been no charges. Cliffs of Moher. Now it's all downhill from here. How could I forget you? Man. Important stuff. Now all the way back. That worked out quite alright. Oh, God. Finally. Nice little room, not too expensive. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue my way down south. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.